Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance UAE. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by registering with a valid email address or phone number. Next, complete the essential identity verification process using a government-issued identification document. This step is crucial for compliance and security. Finally, ensure you enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. This adds an extra layer of security to your digital assets. Once your account is verified, you can fund it. Binance UAE supports various deposit methods, including bank transfers. You can easily convert your UAE dirhams into your chosen cryptocurrency directly on the platform. It's important to be aware of any minimum or maximum deposit limits, as well as the typical processing times for transactions. Always double-check these details before initiating a transfer to ensure a smooth experience. Now, let's explore trading. The Binance UAE platform offers a user-friendly interface for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. You can choose between different order types, such as limit orders to set a specific price, or market orders for immediate execution. Regularly monitoring your portfolio allows you to track performance and make informed decisions about managing your digital asset investments effectively. Maintaining strong security practices is paramount. Always use a robust, unique password and enable anti-phishing codes to protect your communications. Beyond basic trading, Binance UAE offers advanced features like staking, allowing you to earn rewards on your holdings, and various analytical tools to enhance your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless while you manage your crypto.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.